Ever since I was a little kid, I wanted to be a truck driver. Started freshman year here, got going, and then realized that no more truck driving, it's gonna go to welding. And I've been devoted ever since. I thought it was gonna be a job shadow, and it ended up turning into be an interview.
Brooklyn came out and met with myself and our production manager, Chris Rolfe, and we immediately liked him. Good handshake, looked us in the eye, brought some examples of things he'd welded.
And I went in for my safety training, and the next Monday I started.
It's been real easy for kids to transition into the workforce from our classes, actually from all of our CTE classes. The thing that makes Brooklyn unique is that he's only 16 and he's a junior.
Don't put in a C effort, put in an A+ effort. Like to thank Jose De Silva for supporting the program, Tom Lamont, Randy Wilson, Mario Rodriguez. Those are the big influences, and probably my father. And this one's my favorite. That's my prized possession.